Alright, so I'm in the G-Wagon. Now, if you opted for the G550, you would get 416 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque out of a V8 that is twin-turboed. But this is that exact same engine, except it is hand-built. So it is a twin-turbo V8. Ooh, it sounds heavenly. This, though, makes 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. It is mated to a 9-speed transmission. I will put this thing in Sport Plus. It doesn't have launch control, but I will have my foot on the brake, foot on the gas, build up and go. Okay, what do we got? What? 4.13. It's quick. I expect it to be quick with 577 horsepower, a little bit laggy off the line like a hair. But as soon as it grips, goes, it flies. One more time. Go. See, just a little bit slow off the line. I like those shifts. Crazy. 4.17. So, okay, so low fours.